Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're building a tip calculator app using Jetpack Compose. This app will help you quickly calculate tips based on a bill amount, a selected tip percentage, and even allow you to round up the tip if you desire. Let's dive into the code and explore how everything works together. Let's start with the overview. First, we have the main activity. This is where our application begins. It extends component activity, which is part of the Jetpack Compose. Inside of the onCreate method, we set the content of the app using setContent. We wrap our UI in a custom theme called TipTime Theme to ensure that all components have a consistent look and feel. Exploring the TipTime layout. Now let's take a look at the TipTime layout composable. This is where most of our app's functionality lies. Here we define several state variables using remember. We also have the amount input for storing the bill amount, tip input for the tip percentage, and round up, which is a Boolean value indicating whether the user wants to round up the tip. We also compute the tip based on these inputs by calling a function that handles the logic for calculating the tip amount. Next, we build the user interface. We use column to arrange your UI elements vertically. At the top, we display a title to indicate that the user can calculate a tip. Below the title, we have two input fields, one for the bill amount and the other for the tip percentage. These fields are designed to accept only numeric input. At the user's types and values, the state variables are updated accordingly. We also have a leading icon in each text field for better visual representation, such as a money icon for the bill amount and a percentage icon for the tip percentage. The round up option. Moving down the layout, we introduce a switch that allows the users to choose whether to round the tip. This is implemented using a row that contains a text label and the switch itself. When the switch is toggled, it updates the round up state, which influences the final tip calculation. Now into the tip calculation. At the bottom of the layout, we show the calculated tip amount. This is displayed dynamically based on user input formatted as currency for clarity. The app updates the real time as the user modifies input fields or toggles the round up switch. The tip calculation logic. The tip calculation itself is straightforward. We take the bill amount and multiply it by a tip percentage. If the roundup option is enabled, we round the tip to the nearest whole number. The final result is formatted into a currency string to make the user friendly. So, for example, we'll enter our 100, which is our bill amount, and we want a 25% tip. The tip amount would be $25. If we want to show the round up tip option, we can create a bill for $150 and a tip of 21%, and that comes out to $31.50. And if I toggle the switch, it now rounds up the tip to $32 with the round up tip option. And that's it. We've created a fully functional tip calculator app using Jetpack Compose. This allows users to input their bill amount, select a tip percentage, and decide whether to round up the tip, all with a clean and modern user interface. If you enjoyed this tutorial and found it helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more content on Jetpack Compose and Android development. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.